Welcome to our manual handling course. This course will provide you with the knowledge and skills to safely perform manual handling tasks. Expect to learn about regulations, risk assessment, proper lifting techniques, equipment usage, and injury prevention. By the end of the course, you will be equipped to create a safer work environment and minimize the risk of injuries. In the image, you can see individuals engaged in manual handling activities, carrying boxes. Manual handling involves any activity that requires the use of physical force to lift, lower, push, pull, or carry objects. While it is a common task in various industries, it also poses a significant risk if not performed correctly. Here are the 5 commonly used techniques of manual handling. Lifting. Lifting is the technique used to raise objects from a lower to a higher position. It involves bending the knees, keeping the back straight, and using the leg muscles to lift the load. The load should be held close to the body, and a firm grip should be maintained to ensure control. Lowering. Lowering is the technique used to bring objects down from a higher to a lower position. It is the reverse of lifting. The knees should be bent, and the load should be lowered using the leg muscles while maintaining control and avoiding sudden movements. Carrying. Carrying is the technique used to transport objects from one place to another. It is important to maintain a balanced and stable posture while carrying the load. The load should be held close to the body, and the weight should be evenly distributed. If the load is heavy or bulky, mechanical aids like trolleys or carts should be used. Pushing. Pushing is the technique used to move objects away from the body. It is important to position yourself in front of the load, maintain a stable stance, and use the body weight to exert force while pushing. Avoid leaning or overexerting by using the leg muscles and maintaining control of the load. Pulling. Pulling is the technique used to move objects towards the body. It involves positioning yourself behind the load, maintaining a firm grip, and using the body weight and leg muscles to exert force while pulling steadily. Ensure a stable stance and avoid sudden or jerky movements. In order to create a better workplace with less risks of injury due to manual handling, you must follow these steps. Assess the task. Before lifting or moving an object, assess the task and identify potential risks or hazards. Determine if there are any alternatives or modifications that can reduce the risk. Use proper lifting techniques. Adopt correct lifting techniques to minimize strain on the body. Lift with your legs, not your back, and maintain a neutral spine throughout the lifting process. Teamwork and communication. Encourage teamwork and clear communication when performing manual handling tasks. Coordinate with colleagues to ensure everyone understands their roles and responsibilities. Utilize mechanical aids. Whenever possible, use mechanical aids or equipment to assist with lifting and carrying heavy or awkward loads. This can help reduce the physical strain on individuals. Maintain a safe work environment. Keep the work environment free from hazards that could contribute to manual handling injuries. This includes ensuring clear pathways, removing obstacles, and addressing any potential trip or slip hazards. Let's take a moment to reflect on the sobering statistics surrounding manual handling and musculoskeletal disorders, MSDs. MSDs represent a significant portion of work-related injuries, leading to pain, discomfort, and decreased productivity. Recent data highlights the impact of poor manual handling practices on employee well-being and workplace safety. By understanding these statistics, we can better appreciate the importance of implementing preventive measures and promoting safe manual handling practices. Let's commit to applying the knowledge gained in this course to reduce the risk of MSDs and create a safer working environment for ourselves and our colleagues. Remember, if you are able to avoid the manual handling task, avoid it. Don't be a statistic. The TILE approach is a powerful framework for enhancing manual handling safety. By considering the task, individual, load, and environment, TILE enables individuals to assess and mitigate risks, make informed decisions, and create a safer work environment. In this course, we will explore each component of TILE, providing you with the tools and knowledge to transform your manual handling practices and promote safety in the workplace. Get ready to discover the transformative power of TILE. In the TILE approach, the T stands for task, emphasizing the importance of analyzing the lifting task for safe manual handling. This involves carefully evaluating factors such as load weight, size, shape, and stability. Additionally, we consider the physical demands, required movements, and frequency of the task. By thoroughly analyzing the task, we can identify potential risks and implement appropriate strategies to minimize them. This proactive approach ensures safer manual handling practices and reduces the likelihood of injuries. In the TILE approach, the I represents individual, highlighting the importance of understanding personal capabilities and limitations when it comes to safe manual handling. Each individual possesses unique physical fitness, strength, and previous injuries that can impact their ability to handle loads safely. By recognizing these factors, we can make informed decisions, seek assistance when necessary, and take appropriate precautions to protect our well-being. Understanding our own limitations enables us to select suitable lifting techniques, use assistive devices when needed, and communicate effectively with team members during collaborative manual handling tasks. By prioritizing individual well-being and ensuring that tasks align with personal capabilities, we create a safer environment for all. The L in TILE represents load, emphasizing the significance of evaluating load characteristics for safe manual handling. Load evaluation involves assessing various aspects, including weight, shape, size, stability, and any potential hazards associated with the load. By understanding these load characteristics, we can make informed decisions about the appropriate lifting techniques, equipment, and precautions required. Proper evaluation of the load allows us to determine the best approach to lift, carry, or transport it safely. It helps us identify potential risks, such as uneven weight distribution, sharp edges, or fragile components, and implement appropriate measures to minimize those risks. In the TILE approach, the E represents environment, emphasizing the importance of creating a safe surrounding for manual handling activities. The environment in which manual handling tasks are performed plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety and well-being of individuals. Creating a safe environment involves assessing and addressing potential hazards or obstacles that may pose risks during manual handling. This includes ensuring clear pathways, adequate lighting, and proper ventilation. Additionally, it involves identifying and mitigating potential tripping, slipping, or falling hazards. Well done on completing the video segment of the general fundamentals of manual handling. You've taken an important step towards improving your skills in safe manual handling. Remember, the completion of the question section signifies your readiness to progress to the next part of the course. We commend your commitment to self-guided learning and wish you continued success in maintaining a safe and injury-free work environment. We now have a few questions for you to answer to be able to progress to the next step.